This is a video overview of the Pay It Forward pages. Basically, these pages are designed so that you can offer someone to help them succeed in their business, or you could even use this for something besides business if you want to, but this is to help three people. And in exchange for helping three people, you're going to ask them to also help three more people. So if you're trying to build a team, then this is a great way to do it because if your business can help you be successful just by getting three people and building down, then this is a great program to help you do that because it's going to inspire and motivate people to help three people, no matter what that is. That could be paying for their membership into your business, helping them set up their marketing to run automatically using our system, helping them get their three people too. Whatever you want to do, use this system for. It's definitely a great tool to inspire and motivate people to actually help three people, to go above and beyond what you would normally do in your everyday business to help three people be successful. So, what I definitely suggest that you do is make a personalized video of you speaking to people and have it play automatically when people go to your lead capture pages. Say, your name and what you want to do to go above and beyond what everyone else is doing to actually help three people. And all you ask in exchange for helping those three people is that they'll also help three people to do something too. So, so just make a personalized video. If you don't want to make a video, that's okay. You can just use our animated video, but you're going to get a lot better results if you actually make your own personalized video and just speak to people from your heart and just say, I really want to help people, and here's what I'm going to do for you. If you want to be one of the three people I help, here's exactly what I'll do for you, whatever that is. And let them watch your video and then just ask them to fill out your form to get in touch with you. And then when they fill out your form, they'll be taken to a second video. And if you want to make a second video, you can also do that. Or you can just have them watch our default video that invites them to the members area and tells them exactly what they're going to get with the Income for Sharing Network. But if you want to make your own video here on this second page, you're more than welcome to do that, and I actually encourage that too. I think that's a great idea. You can say, okay, well, thanks for filling out my form. I appreciate you taking the time to listen to what I wanted to offer you, and just tell them how to proceed. And you can tell them to click on the Get Started Now button to get their Income for Sharing Network membership, and that will put them into the system with you as their sponsor, the one that invited them to the Income for Sharing Network. You'll see them in your recruiting matrix, and you'll see their Facebook ID when they log in with Facebook. When they connect with Facebook, that puts them in with their username as their Facebook ID, so it's really easy to find them on Facebook. So basically, the idea of this is to do something above and beyond what you would normally do in your day-to-day business marketing, and actually reach out to people who might need some help and really could use some extra money, and see what you can do to actually help those people to become successful in business. So that's the concept. Now, when you create these landing pages, you're going to get three capture pages. Here's the first one. It's got a bigger video, kind of fills up the screen more. And then it's got a second capture page where the video is on top, just kind of goes down. This one doesn't have the logo. And on the main page, you can change this logo. If you don't like our default Pay It Forward logo, you can change that. And then we've got, on the second page, you've got the video that plays at the top, a bigger form, I guess maybe more enticing to get people to fill out the form. Also, this banner down here, this is for Build My Income Daily. You can remove that if you don't want that to be shown. And then the next page, this is the third page, got a smaller video here and a smaller capture form here. And we've also taken your picture off here, but you can put your Facebook badge to the left side of your page if you want that to be shown. And this video is just a smaller, it's more of a condensed page so they could see more of your background image. And of course your background image is customizable with any background you want. You just need to make sure that it's licensed for reuse according to Google. If it's not, please don't use it because I could get sued. Definitely don't want to be getting sued. You could get sued too. So definitely make sure that your background pictures are licensed for reuse or use your own pictures. Okay, and then the final page is the page that people get redirected to after they fill out the form. Like I said, you can make your own video here, or you can just play the default video that invites people to get their Income for Sharing Network membership. And now I'm just going to show you some of the features that you can change if you log into your account. Okay, at the top here it's going to show your lead capture page URLs. It's going to show the first page and then username. You just substitute that with your username and that's your URL. Shows you all three, and then the post form redirect page, that's that page with the second video. Okay, so you just you can change your info here. You can show or hide your phone number and email address if you want. You can set to autoplay or not to autoplay your video. If you need to change your username, you can do that. I don't recommend doing that because if you've already marketed this, then some people may end up going to a dead page if you change that. This is where you put your Income for Sharing member ID. And if you don't know how to find that, what you can do is click on the logo on your page, on one of your capture pages, go into the members area, and just scroll over Get Started and click on Join Program, Set Links. And then if you scroll down this page right here, you're going to see the member ID number is at the end of the network invitation URL. So it will say REF equals and your number. That's your number that you'll put in here. Okay. If you don't like our default logo, the Pay It Forward logo, you can change that with your own logo right here. Upload a logo, optional. And then the upload share image. Now what that is it's the image that gets posted onto Facebook with every post, and that image is clickable. Maybe I can show you that real quick. So if I take my URL, I'll just do Control-C to copy that, and I'll go to Facebook. Now if I post the URL anywhere on Facebook, whether in a group or my own timeline, whatever, it's going to pull the image from the URL. So now this one shows Just Help 3. It should show the Pay It Forward logo by default, but you can change that to any image that you want. So I changed this one to Just Help 3. So again, where you change that is just right here, upload share image. Now if you do that, you do have to use this Facebook Developers Debug tool. So what you do is you just go to this page and you post that in there, your URL, and then you click on Debug. And if you scroll down, you're going to see your new picture. You can see now I've got the Pay It Forward picture here. So if I go back to Facebook again, and let's just leave this page, take that out, go back to the Facebook start page, and I'm going to put that in there again. You'll see now it's going to post the Pay It Forward logo here. So that's just something that you have to do every time you change your share image that you're going to pull up on Facebook. You gotta do that debug tool every time you change that, or it won't actually change on Facebook. So let me just show you one thing that's really good about this. So when you do share this image, you'll notice in a lot of Facebook groups when people post images, if you click on them, let me see if I've got someone on my own wall that's posted an image. See right here, for instance. I bet if you click on this, it's just going to pull up the picture in Facebook. See? It just pulled up the picture in Facebook. It does not connect you to a lead capture page or anything, so it's really not very effective for getting you leads. Not at all. What you want to do is when people click on the picture, you want to have them go right to your lead capture page. You see, this is going to be a lot more effective because that takes them right to where they can start watching your video and fill out your form. Alright, a few of the other features. You can change your own picture. You know, that's just the picture that's shown on your, not on this page, but on this page and this, not this page, and this page. So, you know, you're just 2 pages out of the 4 your picture is going to be shown on. Okay, and then main video, this is where you can set the video that's shown on all of your lead capture pages. And then the post form redirect video, that's the picture, I'm sorry, the video that's shown on this page with the second video that invites people to get their own membership. Okay, and then the lead capture background URL. And again, make sure you read this important notice and do not use any copyrighted images labeled for commercial reuse with modification. I think Google actually changed that to where it just says labeled for reuse now. So if it says labeled for reuse, you're okay. If it says anything else, you're not. So make sure you have one that's labeled for reuse or use your own image. And all you do is just paste the URL to your image in here, and that's going to you know, set your background. And if you need more help on doing that, just click right here where it says you must click here to watch this video before entering any URL. Again, I say that because I give you a kind of a stern warning to make sure you don't use any copyrighted images. Alright, and then lead capture page form headings. Now what that does, it's gonna, for the first one, for heading 1, it's gonna put a bold red title instead of what we've got for our heading here. So right here, where it says I'm paying it forward, it's going to replace that with whatever you set for the red heading. Same with here, it will replace that on every form. And then lead capture pages form heading 2, that's going to be white text where you say whatever you want to say to people that are on your lead capture pages. So it's going to have red text and then white text, and you can leave the red text out if you want. And also, if you're familiar with HTML, you can do HTML code to an image to actually generate an image on your lead capture forms if you'd rather do that. So you just do the HTML code, put that in the second box, not the first box, and then just leave out the red heading, and you can just have your own image there, any image you want to be shown. So if you want to make it look more professional than just having the red and white text, you can make your own image and have that shown above your form. Okay, and then we've got the free leads user number, and this is what enables the Power Lead system to work with your pages. So you can get the free version of that, and that if you get the free version, you're just going to pass up half your leads, but everyone you give this to is going to also pass up half their leads to you. So it actually comes out highly in your favor over the long term because you're going to get leads from other people that you haven't even marketed to. So with the paid version of this, you also get autoresponders, a series of 16 autoresponders that get automatically emailed to each lead. So if you can do that, if you can do the upgrade, I highly recommend it so that you can have those autoresponders working with your form. Now if you just leave this number out, all it's going to do is send you an email with the contact, and you'll have to follow up manually. Okay, and then we've got custom content. Now what that is, you can just put, say you want a live chat program or something on your page, or a popover form, or maybe even something that stops people before they leave your page. You can do things like that. That's what the custom content's for. And then we've got the Facebook badge. You can just click on this link to get your own Facebook badge, and then that will show up in the left-hand corner of your page. And the purpose for that is to get you more friends on Facebook. If you're having your Facebook badge shown on your pages, that's just another way that people can, get a hold of you if they're interested in what you have to say, and they can add you as a friend on Facebook or message you, and just another way to get leads. And then Build My Income Daily, that's just the banner on your pages. If you signed up for Build My Income Daily, which I highly recommend so you can get this Facebook group poster and put your marketing on autopilot, it will just show this banner here to where you get paid $100 when people sign up for Build My Income Daily. So, if you get people that want to get their own Facebook poster and sign up for Build My Income Daily, and then that's not all they have. They have a ton of other stuff that is really going to help you with any business. So I definitely recommend doing Build My Income Daily too, and then you can resell that and make some money the same time you're marketing your business or telling people what you're going to offer them to help them on the Pay It Forward pages. And then last things are just enable other autoresponders. If you have a different autoresponder system you want to use, this first one, enable Aweber or other JavaScript. That's just going to it's going to completely replace our entire form here with whatever form you put in there. And then the last one is GVO or Pure Leverage. You can just get the GVO username, campaign code, and form ID out of their HTML code and enter those three things in this box, and then it's going to enable the form. It won't replace the form, it will enable the form to work with GVO or Pure Leverage. So that's an overview of the system, and I hope that this will motivate and inspire people to help 3 people, to go above and beyond what you normally would do in your everyday marketing and actually reach out and help some other people to succeed. And I think that's going to also inspire people to want to work with you, because if they know that you're a genuine person that really wants to help them, then I think that that's going to motivate them to want to work with you rather than just pitching your business to them. So that's the program. Thanks for watching.